Hi, my name is Jamie and I'm the head of bags. Many of us struggle to find the perfect everyday bag, and today we're here to present you a checklist to help you through this process. Looking at this bag, it's presented in a calfskin leather. It's beautiful and it can be worn in so many ways. This top handle here is sturdy, it's cushioned, meaning you can carry many things in it and hold it comfortably. If you choose to wear it with the straps, you'll also be pleasantly surprised to see that it's a nice wide strap, which makes the weight distribution very easy when you carry it as well. I really love this bag. Not only is it really beautiful to look at, it also can fit all my essentials like my phone, my wallet, my keys, my cards, so on. So these precision cut panels not only lend a geometric design to the bag, it also helps the bag to move with you. So because this bag can fit so many things and it's so comfortable to carry for long periods of time, I would recommend this bag for work or travel. This bag is beautiful, it's versatile and can fit all my belongings inside. I recommend a buy. If you're still on the fence about the cute design or want to try cool colors like this, perhaps you should rent.